Good afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. Just wanted to do a video of this car that we've had in from a very good customer of ours, known him for many years, and he looks after his cars. This is a D350 Autobiography long wheelbase, so it's a 3 litre straight 6 twin turbo diesel, and it has the additional space in the car with it being long wheelbase, and a nice feature of 7 seats in this car, which I'll show you in a second. So you finished in the Santorini Black with the shadow line gloss exterior on the grills, the side atlas vents, has a 23-inch alloy wheel which is also finished in the gloss black as well. Coming around the side of the car, privacy glass on this car is standard, along with the keyless entry, and at the rear of the car we've got the completely flush indicators and brake lighting system as well, which is basically invisible until they are in use. If we just open the boot, I did mention about the 7 seats, so this is your normal load capacity, but if I just pull one of these buttons up here, you'll be able to see the difference for the rear passengers. And they are a full 7-seater, so it will comfortably fit adults in the back. If you just want to come and have a look in the rear on there, that is as it stands currently. The second row seats can go further forward. Obviously there's an electric switch down on your right, and they do also have heated seats and USB-C points as well. Just coming around to the side of the car, again, it's an approved car, it's basically new, there is no real damage on the car, it's been well looked after. As I say, it is a repeat customer of ourselves, who we do continued business with. Again, long wheelbase, so if we go to the rear, you'll see that there's the absolute mountain of room in the back there. Again, full ebony leather, Meridian signature sound system in this car, which is on autobiography level, and then all the leather headlining finishes as well, and the sun blinds on the vehicle. I'll just let you into the front. So as you'll see, you've also got the deep carpet mats in there as well. It's just a really nice car. The Autobiography has always been the epitome of Land Rover, with all the specification, all the equipment levels. So the car's done 7,650 miles. As far as specification on this car, it's basically got absolutely everything. You've got your radar guided cruise control, your heated steering wheel, electric memory seats. They're heated, they're cooled, they massage. I've mentioned the Meridian signature sound system, your wireless charging. We've got the full sliding panoramic roof and something called a ClearSight rear view mirror, which gives you a more degrees of viewing by flicking it up, so you'll get an extra 15 degrees of angle viewing in the rear. But also, if you've got the full capacity being used for 7 seats, because the cameras are feed from outside the car, it essentially means the passengers kind of disappear, so you're not having to look around anyone that may be in the back seats. And then finally in here you've got your additional storage down in the car as well, all your 4-wheel drive, terrain response systems, and your air suspension again, because it's obviously all standard with it being a Land Rover. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the car. As I say, really well appointed, so if you'd like to come and have a test drive or get some numbers, the number is 01642 644 444.